Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As you have seen the title and thumbnail of the video, this video will mark the beginning of a brand new series named as Learn Linux with me, because I am also currently learning Linux. So I thought that my friends, my viewers, my subscribers who are also learning the basics of Linux get some extra help, and also those who want to get some extra information can watch this series. So beginning with the video, let me answer the question which would have risen in your mind, that what is Linux? So, okay, so Linux is an operating system which is based on the Unix operating system, which was developed as a small project by Linus Torvalds, who was a student at the University of Helsinki in the early 90s. At present, it has spread enormously around the world and has gained millions of users, which are both individuals and companies. Okay, so now when I'm talking about Linux OS, then let me tell you what is an OS. An OS is an interface between the hardware of the computer and the user. It controls the hardware as per the need of the user. Okay, so friends, enough introduction now. So let's move to the main topic of today's video, that is installation and setting up of Linux. Okay friends, before the installation of Linux, I would like to tell that we will be installing a Linux distribution known as Ubuntu. So you would be asking that what is a Linux distribution? So as you know that Linux is an open source operating system, which means anyone can modify the source code and change its settings and all that stuff. So I would like to tell that there are more than 600 distributions of Linux. So, and yeah, I would like to tell that we are using Ubuntu because it uses the GUI or the graphical user interface, just like our Windows, which we use, because that would be easy for a common man to understand. So, okay, I won't waste much time and we'll start the installation process. So, for the installation of Linux or Ubuntu, there are three methods. First one is clean installation, or the second one is using dual boot, and third one is using a virtual machine. So if you go for the first method, which is clean installation, then you have to sacrifice your data and all that stuff, and there may be some issues with, like, your keyboard is not working or your mouse is not working, and many more stuff like that. And the second option is using dual boot. Uh, you can do try this option, but uh, your system, you may feel that your system is laggy, or sometimes your network is not working and like that. You can try it. It is not recommended, but yeah, you can try it. And third one is using a virtual machine. A virtual machine is which uses the resources of the host, but it runs upon Windows. It doesn't harm your Windows or anything like that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Ubuntu using a virtual machine method. So for that we need a software known as VMware, or you can try go for VirtualBox also. So for downloading VMware, open your browser. Okay, so you need to type VMware Workstation 16 Pro. That is the latest one. You need to click on download VMware Workstation Pro. Then after going to that website, you need to click on download now for Windows Workstation Pro for Windows. Click on download now, and yeah, you can save the file. The file is of approximate 600 to 620 MB. Yeah, so we'll wait for the download to be completed. Till then, I'll tell you from where to download Ubuntu. You need to search Ubuntu, then press enter. Yeah, and you can, there is a first website https ubuntu.com. Then you need to click on the download button. and you need to click on Ubuntu desktop. Then this is the latest stable version 20.04.3 LTS. You need to click on download. The file size is approximately 2 gigabytes and ISO will be downloaded. Yeah, as you can see it is 2.9 gigabytes. I'm sorry. Then click on save file and the download will start. Because I'll cancel this Ubuntu download because I've already downloaded it. We'll wait for the workstation to download. So now it's completed. So we'll close our browser and we'll come in our download section. Okay, so the file is here. So we'll run this file. Okay, so now the installation process have started of the VMware software. We'll wait for some time. Installation has started. Yeah. Okay, so you need to click on next, then accept the license terms and click next. Okay, you can change the path where you want to save that VMware file. We'll keep it as it is and click on next. Then click on next. Again click on next. And finally click on install. Been finished. You can click on the finish button and now you can double click on the shortcut to open the workstation. Okay, so that is a trial version which they are giving us. Yeah, as you can see we are at the workstation 16 Pro software. So here you need to click on create a new virtual machine, then let the settings be as it is and click on next. Then you need to select the installer disk image file or ISO, click on browse, and select the Ubuntu ISO image. Okay, then click on next. You can give your name or you can type anything. So let's type a name. Then you can create a password of your choice. Then click on next. click on next. Okay, so now you can name the virtual machine also, and you can browse for the location where you need to store the virtual machine. So yeah, click next. Keep it as it is. The capacity leave it as at 20 gigs only, and click on store virtual disk as a single file. Then click on next. Then you can leave this thing as it is only, or you can tweak it by clicking on customize hardware. So for now I'll keep it as it is and click on finish. Okay guys, so we are now on the installation page, and let it install, then I'll meet you after the installation.
Guys, now we are done with the installation of Ubuntu. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends, and I highly recommend that you share it with your friends so that many people are going to take benefit from this video. Okay, so guys, that's for the video. Thanks for watching guys.